So the general principle on being able to run some ugly code is we have a block of code, and in it, some of it is very hard to execute, and some of it isn't. And we need to make it so that it's all easy to execute. So here we have the pieces in red are the hard to execute pieces of code. And the first technique we're going to use is to create a peel, which is a small little pass-through method to call this method. Now we're going to take this hard piece of code, move it into the peel where we can just ignore it and just start our execution right here, effectively removing the need to execute this first piece of code. Now these other two pieces of hard to execute code we can't move into the peel, and they're difficult because they're calling these other functions that are difficult. So the technique we're going to use here is to slice them. And now that they're sliced, we can remove those calls and replace them with just sample return data. And because these are now not actually calling it but just getting predetermined results, those become easy to use, and thereby we have a completely easy to execute body of code.